guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. We're having this youth event right now.
Look.
And Sister Jackie, say hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog. So our goal here is to get famous.
I was fail. So I'll see you guys in a bit then.
Alright, so wait for a little quick when you started.
We're here. We're still playing.
I look cute. Hold on. Yeah, I'm living
We're
for
still
it.
playing.
Hi.
The machine is broken.
You should really.
Oh, I can't zoom in it.
Over there.
No,
Wait, how
it
do
is
you put the-
broken. Oh wait, that's too zoom in. I got you on camera.
Andrea, what's your score?
7.
How do you feel?
How do I feel? I feel like a disappointment.
Hi guys. So today Andrea's gonna use the dinosaur. That dinosaur.
If I fail with the dinosaur.
If you fail, you trash. Just
Wait, you have to
kidding.
get the side angle.
Okay, I'm gonna take the side angles. Ready? All the angles. Oh.
There's a reason dinosaurs went extinct.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
What's good?
So you're probably wondering why are we ready? And the special occasion is because we are celebrating my dad's birthday. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit.
Peace out.
So this is my baby cousin. Di hola.
Hola.
Hola. Dale, enséñale sus lenguas. Wow. Dile bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Tinga for my dad's birthday, which is chicken with red sauce. And then beans, and we put them in tostadas. And then we have chips.
Happy birthday, mama. Happy birthday to you. Quiere llorar. Mira el deseo, Marito.
No, pues. ¿Qué dijo?
El barril.
So it's a sister vlog, and we're on a break. So
And my dad is opening the presents.
And I'm here.
we got that snacks on deck. We got the cookies on deck. We got Sister Kevin on deck.
And then we have La Loteria ended up losing. It was a very sad loss, but we all lost. How do you feel about it, Kevin?
Yeah, that's how I
We made a quick stop to the gas station. We got chips. My dad's here. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Name Jackie's right there.
And look, Sister Kevin is over there.
Sister Kevin.
Sister Kevin is
at the door. Okay, but we got chumps.
Oh, I mean.
So guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give a like, subscribe, and comment any suggestions, any videos I should do. And thank you for watching. Bye.